Hi guys, in today's video I have variable ND filter from PGYTECH for Mavic Air 2. This video is not sponsored. I purchased this ND filter for $30 and the one I have has 2 to 5 stop of light, which is equivalent of ND4, ND8, 16 and 32. Comes with little sticker, wiping cloth, a lifetime warranty card, and this little box that comes with the variable ND filter is portable, safe, and travel friendly. I like this dial. This is how you adjust the amount of light that enters the sensor of Mavic Air 2. So without further delay, let's go out there and compare those shots. I hope you'll like the video. If you do, comment down below and let me know what you think of it.